Hi, Bambi.
Look, there's prairie dogs.
Can I have the food?
What are you gonna feed the ducks?
The chicken.
Oh, the chicken? Look in there. There's deers.
Did you see him?
Look.
No, you're not supposed to throw the food in there, buddy.
Hey, put the cup up to him.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it.
Jackson, why don't you hold the cup up? Why don't you do it, buddy?
Did you see the deer?
What?
Don't drop it. Look, there's an owl in there. Let's keep going this way. There's bunnies.
Here, Jackson, Wyatt wants to try to feed him. We'll figure out what's food and what isn't. Here, hold the cup up for this guy to eat out of it, okay?
Oh, here.
Why?
But we can pet him. Let me get
Honey, I don't trust putting your fingers in there, bud.
Well, we can. Hello.
And a pig. Ooh, you see that turkey's got a bunch of eggs back there.
What is that?
It's a chicken.
Why does that chicken look different like he has a brain on?
The peacock's displaying.
Watch out, Jackson, watch out. He's freaking out a little bit.
I want to feed that chicken.
He's walking away. That's a rooster, I think.
We might get a...
You're a mess in it.
Oh, can I feed that duck?
No, absolutely not.
That's a goose.
Can I feed that?
Okay, no, Jackson first. Jackson first. Slowly, guys. Deers are very scared animals. Slowly. Okay? Okay. Okay, now it's Wyatt's turn. Come on, Wyatt. Slowly. 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 Ah, buddy. You try to feed him?
Can we pet this guy?
I don't know.
Honey, it says not to.
Then which guy can I pet?
It says the babies. The babies are over here. They're like really small babies.
So I can pet this guy?
I pet his back.
Jackson, can you go pet him again and let me get a picture?
Yeah.
Here, Jackson, look at me. Jackson, will you look at me?
He wants to get in the picture.
How often do you get to pet a deer? These are really small baby deer.
Do we feed him? Oh!
It's like Bambi.
Hi, Bambi. Hi, Bambi. Hi,
You
Bambi.
want to take one of those home?
Yeah. Oh, hi. Is that you? He came over to eat. What?
Oh, I love piggies.
Look at the pot belly.
Oh my gosh.
Can I feed it?
You
Can
don't,
I feed it?
I don't think his snout will fit down in there.
Nah, that might just be mean to try to feed him.
Oh, can we take a shower tonight? Can we take a shower tonight?
Yes, we can take a shower tonight.
Okay.
Why'd you ask that?
Because I got mud on me.
Oh. Did you see the baby pig? Did you see the piglet?
I did see it. Oh, look.
That little pig ran out here. He's,
The little baby?
yeah, he's running around.
Little piggies are my favorite.
That's the bunny. Hello.
That's a, don't touch him.
We'll wash our hands in a minute, okay?
That's a mini donkey.
Cow?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go down.
I'm gonna feed him the rest of this.
Is that funny?
You left me a floppy.
Fluffy. Oh my gosh. So fluffy. That's super cool.
Hi, Mama.
Do you hear that sound that they make? Isn't that a cute sound?
This one's nice.
You want to pet it, Wyatt? Good. That's you're doing such a nice job. No, you don't have to stick your hands in cages.
Oh, this one's mini.
Don't hold it. You can pet it.
Okay.
Isn't that cool?
Why is he sewing on a soda can?
Huh?
Why is he?
They're softer than I thought they'd
Okay.
Isn't that cool? Oh,
Hello, kitty.
kitten might be. Oh, he volunteered.
Oh, yeah.
Jackson, why don't you sit down?
Okay.
Okay, I think that's a better idea. Ready? You want to hold him? You want to hold him? You cannot hold the kitty. Oh, you hold the kitty, but I'll help you. You hold the kitty.
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.